Hi, my name is Firefighter Pierce Warwick, and I'm here to show you around the fire truck at Station 1 in Bowmanville. This is the back where the firefighters sit, and this is where we control all the water for the pumping water to the fire. This is where various types of water can come in and out for different hose line connections and our main intake for the water to come in from the hydrant. So this is one of our compartments. This is for auto extrication for different types of tools we use at car accidents. There's many different tools in this compartment. We have our chainsaw and our K12 for cutting different types of material. This is our tanker truck. We have 5 in Clarington Fire, and it carries water to the fires that we can't reach for a hydrant. This is our aerial. It helps us reach higher spots in buildings. This is our aerial. We have 2 of them in Clarington. It reaches 105 feet and can spray water all the way that high for different buildings. These firefighters are doing a weekly check on the pumper. This is the rescue truck. It carries a lot of different equipment for different kind of specialized rescues. Okay, I'm gonna start by putting on my bunker pants and boots. Next is my balaclava. It helps protect my ears and neck from burns. Then my bunker jacket. And then my firefighter helmet, which helps protect things from falling down. Okay, I'm going to start by putting on my SCBA bottle in my pack. We're going to make the connection so the air supply can go into my regulator. And then just clamp it down. And the next step's putting it on like a backpack. I'm going to tighten my shoulder straps. And then put on my seatbelt buckle at the bottom. Okay, and then the next is my face piece. Keep it in a bag to protect it from scratches. We're going to check for a tight seal. I'm going to cover the face piece cover. So my next step is putting over my balaclava to protect the top of my head and ears. Now I'm going to do up my neck strap. And now I'm going to put my helmet on. It's nice and tight. This yellow one helps protect me from heat as well. And now I'm going to hook up my piece to my face piece. And put my gloves on. And now I'm going to practice crawling. Thanks for visiting the fire hall.